Welcome to the future of mobile luxury. What you're about to witness isn't just a motorhome, it's an entire universe on wheels. A futuristic, three-story motorhome that seamlessly blends groundbreaking design with unrivaled comfort. Picture sleek curves, panoramic glass walls, and a harmonious mix of warm amber and golden lighting. This isn't a vehicle, it's a work of art that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. But hold on tight, the inside will blow you away. As you step through the entrance, you're immediately welcomed by an atmosphere of warm, subtle lighting that follows the contours of the motorhome's sleek interior. The lounge is no ordinary space, it feels more like a high-end suite. Picture plush modular sofas, a floating glass coffee table, and walls that shimmer with delicate, integrated lighting. The floor is polished stone, with soft lighting underneath, creating the illusion of endless space. Panoramic smart glass windows bring the outdoors inside, offering unobstructed views that change as you travel. This isn't just a place to relax, it's a dynamic, futuristic space for entertainment, socializing, or enjoying the breathtaking scenery. Now, step into the heart of this mobile masterpiece, the kitchen. It's compact but fully equipped, designed to be as stunning as it is practical. Soft under-counter amber lighting highlights the sleek, smooth surfaces of the kitchen, with light oak wood and white gloss finishes giving it a warm, inviting glow. The kitchen is outfitted with state-of-the-art smart appliances hidden behind polished chrome panels. Next, we enter the bedroom, a tranquil retreat. The king-sized floating bed sits perfectly in this serene space, softly glowing from hidden underlighting. Warm gray and black tones are accented by golden highlights, setting a calming, luxurious mood. Panoramic windows are fitted with automated blinds that let you control privacy and light with a simple touch. It's the perfect space to unwind after a long day on the road. Then we come to the washroom. It's not just a bathroom, it's an on-the-road spa experience. A rainfall shower, encased in smart glass, allows you to adjust opacity at the touch of a button, turning the space into your private sanctuary. Polished stone basins and chrome fixtures create an atmosphere of pure indulgence. This is a bathroom that could easily be found in a 5-star hotel. And now, let's talk about the cockpit. This isn't just a place to sit and drive, it's a command center designed for the future. The sweeping panoramic glass gives you an immersive, cinematic view of the road ahead. The driver and co-pilot chairs are futuristic command seats, surrounded by holographic displays and touch-sensitive panels. Driving this motorhome feels less like controlling a vehicle and more like piloting your own spaceship. But wait, there's more. This motorhome comes with its own private rooftop infinity-style pool. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're overlooking mountains, the ocean, or the desert, you can take a dip and unwind in the ultimate luxury. Imagine parking in the middle of nowhere, but still enjoying the comfort of a private pool under the stars. The view, the experience, the relaxation, it's all yours. Every inch of this motorhome has been designed with one thing in mind: luxury. From the functional tech to the elegant design, it's built to offer an experience that's as futuristic as it is comfortable. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about redefining how we live, travel, and experience the world. So, here's the big question. If you had the opportunity, would you leave your house behind and make this futuristic motorhome your new home on wheels? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible luxury builds from the future.